Hello, welcome to CSH 2500 Principles of Nutrition. My name is Denise Knapp and I'm going to be your online instructor for this course. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a registered dietitian, a licensed dietitian, and a board certified specialist in sports dietetics. I've been at Kennesaw State now for about 3 years. I lecture for the Levin School and the sports dietitian for the athletic department. Now this course I created to mimic the in-class course, so it should be a little bit challenging, but that means that you're going to learn a lot. This class is going to cover both macro and micronutrients, their structures, their sources, and their functions within the body. And of course that's just to name a few things that we're going to be covering. Now, each week you're going to have 6 days to be completing your assignments. So everything starts at Monday at 12 a.m. and will end Saturday at 11:59 p.m. So you have 6 days and late assignments are not going to be accepted. So make sure that you are keeping up with the weekly checklists that you find within each of the modules that you'll find in the current week tab. Now, each week is going to cover one chapter, and I've tried to make each week pretty consistent so that usually you're going to have one chapter to read, and I provide you with the PowerPoints so that you can then follow along different recorded lectures and videos provided by Pearson. I also have activities found within each module. These are not going to be for a grade, but they're going to help you in assessing whether you understand the material. You'll also have a weekly Mastering Nutrition assignment, and I have provided instructions this week on how to sign up for that. And then you'll have weekly discussion board postings that are based off of questions that I provided, and usually you'll watch a video or read different articles. As part of that, you will need to respond to at least one other student's posting, and I usually encourage people to do more than one response just to make sure that you truly are furthering the discussion and you make sure that you are earning the full points for that assignment. Now, within this class, you'll also have 2 kind of bigger assignments, and you will get instructions on those 2 weeks and 1 week before those are due. And you can also find descriptions of those in your syllabus. You will also have 3 exams. Each covers about 5 chapters. That does sound like a lot, and it is, but as long as you are completing the review guides that I post in the checklist the week before they open, and you're reading the material and you're viewing the lectures, you should be fine. The tests are going to be 50 true-false questions, so again, you do need to study, and you have to complete that within 45 minutes. You will also need to have Lockdown Browser for these exams, and you can find instructions for downloading that when you're being prompted to take the exam. And then also in the Welcome Start Here tab, there's instructions for downloading the Respondus Lockdown Browser. But I believe that's it for now. Just make sure that after this video, you go to the tour video where I show you how to really navigate the course, and open up then the current week, because this week we have Chapter 1. Chapter 1 will also include that you complete the course policies quiz, and the course policies quiz just is really, hey, I read the syllabus, I understand the requirements of the class, and I also ask that you read the cheating and plagiarism policies for KSU and state that you understand those. You also have a pre-test assessment, which is also under the quizzes tab, and it's just a question from each chapter, and it's just to show what you know now. It's a completion grade, and you'll take the exact same quiz at the end of the semester to show what you have learned. And then of course you'll have a introduction for the class, and then the normal assignments for the week, so the mastering nutrition and the discussion. So it kind of sounds like a lot, but a lot of those should only take you a few minutes. But email me if you have any questions. I think I'm pretty good about responding to emails and updating grades as quickly as I can. So yes, just email if you have questions, and from here go to the course tour video and then to the current week tab to start chapter 1.